Holy guacamole. They play shitty music. Let's see how the food is. Alright, cool. That one is before. Can I film you?
Pardon?
Can I film you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Iwa.
How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you. Kind of do without this fucking music, but what can you do? Fucking paper straw. Sour cream looks like and has the consistency of like vanilla frosting, so we'll see. Got to new? What's your name?
Iwa.
I think I already told you. Got to you guys? What's your name?
G'day, mate. Yeah, my name is G'day.
What's your name?
Mutu.
What's your name?
Hello, my name Aline. Come to Bali, guys. We have good food. Mexican food, the best in Bali. Thank you.
So this place closes pretty fucking early. This place is closed super early. Hello, sir. Oh, it's like 10. I don't know what to say. I only ate there once, but I didn't do any other restaurants at Bali, so I'll do this video on this restaurant. Only ate there once. It was pretty okay. I don't know what to tell you. Most of the girls didn't let me film them. Well, 2 of them did. 1 did. And all the dudes were fine with it.